What's up, blooms? In today's video, I'm showing you how to make this DIY Ayurvedic hair butter. I'm using African shea butter and cocoa butter in this recipe. I've also been infusing this castor oil that is mixed with amla powder and fenugreek powder. I'm also using my black seed and Chebe oil as well, and a little bit of glycerin. First, you want to melt your butters. I'm using the double boiler method to melt my shea butter and cocoa butter. If you're interested in seeing how I made the black seed oil, definitely check out the cards and also the description. Now I'm adding some of my black seed oil and also a good amount of the castor oil that was infused with amla and fenugreek. Now you just want to combine all of your ingredients together and be sure to let all of the oils and butters melt completely before removing off the double boiler. Now that the mixture has melted completely, place the bowl in the fridge for at least an hour until it slightly solidifies. This is what the mixture is looking like after an hour in the fridge. Now it's time to whip. I'm using my stand mixer to whip the hair butter until I get the consistency that I'm looking for. I'm adding in a little bit of vegetable glycerin for additional moisture. Glycerin is a humectant that would help to draw moisture into your hair. butter is super soft and fluffy, but keep in mind as it cools down, it will harden. I'm adding a preservative to the hair butter just to make sure that it lasts for a while. When you are all done whipping up the butter, place it into an airtight container. This Ayurvedic hair butter is filled with amazing ingredients. It will leave your hair feeling soft and moisturized. That's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you will give this recipe a try. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.